today's video we have two more mystery boxes from the same person who we have seen the Jax Vac Senior, Vactric Junior, Hoover 800 and Electrolux Model 12. This is number 5 and number 6. They are huge. I have no idea what they are. Should we have a look? We should. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? We have two separate boxes this time, rather than one huge one containing two machines. Both are fairly light. This one is tall, hence why you are up quite high. This one isn't, so we shall get to this first box open first to see what is inside. I have no idea. It actually came earlier on in the week, time of filming this, but I thought I was ever so tempted to open them and have a peek, but that would ruin all of the surprise for me and for you. So we'll go through this together, work out what I'm going to be spending the next couple of months on this time. Get all of the packaging out of the way, and initially I can see something that I do not find familiar at all. Who knows what this is? Who knows at all? Yeah. Well, we have this, which is a very worn floor tool. No idea what that is from. Pop that there. Getting an idea from looking at the machine, but I've never seen one before. We have this. It's a Royal. A Royal. Doesn't say Royal. We'll have a close look at it in a second, because yeah, 4207, whatever that means. We shall park that for now, because if there's anything else in the bottom of this box, there are a couple of bits. Get all the packaging out of the way. We'll tip these out, just in case any of it contains. Oh yeah, one of them is heavy. So you always check the packaging. We have a bolt there, look. Not sure if it's for the machine, I'd imagine it is. But yes, we have a bolt. I think that's it. This is just packaging really. So I'm going to get all this back in this box, and we'll have a close look at the first machine, shall we? That's better. You can see. So, wow. Really? Oh, it's oh no. It's missing its carbon brushes for an absolute start. In fact, it's missing its entire motor. Okay, right, that's going to pose something of a massive issue. Okay, well, we shall gloss over that. We shall undo the cable, which has a superbly fitted plug. Look at that, there's nothing odd with that at all. God, that wiring is utterly knackered. Oh, there is a branding on this plug, but it won't be keeping this plug on it. I can tell you that for sure. Oh, that's a shame. God knows where I'm going to find a motor from for it. So we have to be asking the collecting community what they think. Oh God! Oh gosh! Wow! Ooh. I'll just pull that from the handle. This, right, it's probably a good job it hasn't got a motor in it, because I would have possibly killed myself if I'd have done that. Here is the on-off switch. And there's a bag here, which I am assuming... Oh, look at that, look, it's wooden. It contains the handle, which sits on there. Ah, I wonder if that's what this bolt is for. It's his, look at that. This sits on there, and then this bolt does bolt the handle on. So that's something, I suppose. Here is the cloth bag. Now, I couldn't tell you how it comes off, frankly. And it does seem to have a fair bit of dirt in it. How do you open it? How do you do it? It's the original bag though. Oh, a bit like this. Ooh, ooh, that's faded. Hoping that whatever's in here isn't actually dirty, because I cannot wash this bag at all. No chance of that. But it looks like I've got to actually take the entire band off in order to take the bag off, which I wasn't fully wanting to do, but I want to see what's inside. I haven't got a screwdriver on me. So I think that's going to have to stay a mystery for now. Oh, gosh, this looks very, it's full of something, but actually feels like bubble wrap. It's almost as if someone's filled it full of bubble wrap in order to make it look like it's full, which is something. However, this explains this floor tool, because it sits on there and then it locks itself on, look. That is something else, isn't it? Let me show you this ratings plate, because this ratings plate is utterly brilliant. Look at that, look. Number 84207, Royal. Quality service. Manufactured by the Continental Electric Company Limited, made in Canada. Don't know what model this is at all, though. It's really not written anywhere. But yeah, it's definitely a proper Royal before they were bought and bastardised into Dirt Devil. Crikey, look at that. Well, I think that's about as far as we can go with this for now. Oh, look at that cable exit grommet, look. That's a thing, isn't it? Yeah, I think this is about as far as we can go with this machine for now, because there's no motor. Oh, this is going to involve talking to my American chums, isn't it? Let's see what's in the other box and see if that's a little bit more complete. So we have a smaller box here. I was going to move my tripod because the leg is right in the way. There we go. Pull it down a little bit. So let's see what's in this. Again, it's very, very light. So I'm not quite sure what I've been sent, I'll be honest. It's why I love doing these, because it is a complete mystery. I've got so many thoughts racing around in my head regarding that Royal. Ooh. Oh gosh. This, whatever this is going to make the Electrolux Model panel like a modern vacuum cleaner. Now this is made in Sweden, I can tell you that much. It has its handle, it's missing something from the switch, it's missing its carbon brushes on both sides. There is no ratings plate at all. What is it? This is the hose inlet for it, which has a smaller push fit style of hose. I've also just noticed, annoyingly, that there is no inner bag at all, which is a bit of a shame. So I'm a little bit, I don't quite know what to say. I don't. This is obviously the back of it. It looks like there must be something missing from it as well. This is going to need a heck of a lot of parts to get this working. Oh gosh, goodness me, wow. This is going to be a bit of a short video, isn't it? Because I can't turn either of these on because this one is missing its motor, this one is missing its electrical cable for a start. I don't even, well, I haven't got the Model 12 anymore, and by the looks of it that's a different fitting anyway. So yeah, machines 5 and 6 all unboxed, ready to begin the process of finding parts. We've got to get these running, so there's going to be another video when I eventually work out how the heck to apply probably power to this one, although again we need carbon brushes. This one is a whole motor. Yeah, this could take a while. So anyway, for now, thank you very much for watching. Please tell me what I've got, because I don't actually know at the time of filming this, and although I'll probably found out by the time the video goes live, please tell me anyway, because I like hearing what you say. And for now, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.